an essay, whether you're writing academic or general test. And then you both have to write a minimum of 250 words. Minimum means if you did not write 250 words, you can write 1,000, you can write 2,000, but you still get 40 minutes. And then the same marking criteria apply. They will not say, oh, you wrote 1,000 words, and they all do not answer the question. They will not award you marks. No, writing a lot and writing correctly, they are not the same thing. Okay? I always emphasize quality over quantity. So my own writing so much, if you write so much, 270, 280 words, 260, 270, 280, then use the rest time to dot your I's and cross your T's. Now, there are about 7 different types of essays. So I hope you have your paper. Those of you